discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Shoes you can step on them.
You're good. So what all's in here, man?
Those are 4 resilient 1244s.
Okay.
Bolts. Let's check it. Fired up.
Nice.
Little something.
Who built the box? Who built the box?
Steve Rush, I believe.
Okay. And this is you have it on 2 8Ks?
Yeah, 2 8Ks. Yep.
Alright. A pure V8K.
Any particular request? I'm probably the demo stuff.
Something that you know does well in your peak frequency range. Maybe something, I mean, if you know your peak frequency and something that's pretty good on it.
Some of the new hip hop ain't too bad. I just run off of Spotify, so we'll just pick something.
Okay.
Gucci does pretty good.
Alright.
See what happens.
What's the box tuning?
Somewhere between, it's like 29 to, it's like 34 from what I was told.
Okay.
Yeah, honestly, just.
You're good. Can I see the back real quick, man?
Yeah, you can.
And do you have an upgraded alternator too?
Yeah, this pop it. It's nothing fancy.
It's all good.
This hatch is kind of a pain in the ass.
Bass is messing up the latch.
Essentially, yeah. So you gotta like push it and pull it.
Okay.
And I'll open it if you want to give me a quick hand.
Yeah, man. What you want me to do?
So
Pull here?
you gotta push in and then yank it out.
Okay. All right, let's do this. Bass head issues right here.
Yeah, this bitch is heavy.
Hey, that helps keep the pressure in. Nice box.
Yeah, man.
Looks
you
really
did
good.
Work on it.
Looks really good. I like it. I'm gonna take a picture real quick.
Yeah, go for it, brother. It's the kind of shit we do within about a 4-day mark. Just getting the shit ready.
There we go. Had to get a light little angle on there.
Brother.
Let's see under the hood real quick.
Yeah.
I like to see everything, sorry.
All right.
Cargo Customs.
Cacao. Nothing fancy.
That's all
You
good
know
now.
how she do.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, not a problem, brother.
Alright.
I look in the mirror and look at a killer. I grew when niggas fuck me up. I keep stacking up, yeah, but you got me on it back in the city. Can't dropping them switches, they scratch up the shit. My blood in the whip, it fucked up, it's a gin. Watch what you say, cause this shit can get real. Now watch how you move when that shit is still. Shot in the car, now I got the wheel. Niggas on wood, they got bodies for real. I thought you got out, he did 20 some years. He took it to trap, but he lost his appeal. I went to school, some serial killers. They breaking your house, they need serial. Watch the same, nigga, that first period with you. Watch you trust, they might be out to get you. Bomb on step, you get put in the swisher. Say the wrong thing, get put in the back. Boy, wipe a nigga, no tissue. Bless him, last nigga trying that down in the back. Nigga, he cruise, no fishes. Just play a good role in the show, can't add good info, in my business. Nigga spoke on my name, I got smoke like a bag. That 9 plane on me, nigga, 4 chains on me. I ain't tripping about that hoe nigga, she came on me. I got a bitch from the west, she a suckin' they soft. Bitch from the east, she a fucking nigga dog. Still fuckin' with that ride, even though I got a deal. Had to get it back to see. Got my nigga killed. Parents in my time, still sippin' out the fountain while she climbing up. For each nigga up for free, that's my nigga, come and kick it, some chicken, why the fuck you trying to turn one? You ever put on the butter before you burn her some? Baby say she want the real nigga, she don't get it. Why you ain't never up? It's still hard for my niggas, I can bring you back. Search in the city, I keep two flags on bang. I just try to get it for the gang. Catch me in the city, nigga, 4 chains. I'm a CMG, still in the dope game. I'm shot 4 bang when they got out the mud. Big 4 gang, the thugs that I got on my own. Ain't nobody help me, remain humble. You can't little bro me, bitch, I really got a check. Fuck you in this shit, I be really on that. Put the city on my back. My hard times, 2018, Woozy in my door down. Pull up that hard time. We ain't winning, I'm mirrors on. Air 42, pulling up twin villas. Peanut butter seats on my feet, post. I keep 2 flags on bang. I just drop here for the gang. Tired from the D28. Always keep it 100K. Number 1 nigga, on the minute I was doing 200. Gotta take it. Every time they see me, they say they ain't see me in a minute. The mirror and look at a killer. I grew up with niggas scrub you up. Bodies keep stacking up year after year. Got the young niggas thugging they serial killers. Till choppers and switches, they scratch out the sears. The blood in the whip, it for dope and some tears. What did you say? Cause this shit can get real. Now watch how you moving, this shit might steal. Shot in the car and I got the wheel. Niggas on wood, they got bodies for real. I thought shit got out of these 20 some years. He took me to Trump, but he lost his appeal. I went to school, some serial killers. They breaking your house in these serial witches. The same nigga kept first period with you. Watching you trusting my B.I.D. bitches. Steady get put on the switch. Say the wrong thing, get put in the back. Boy, why a nigga know no pressure? Bless him, last nigga tried me, down in the back. And then she cruise no fishes. This blood get rolling, the show get active. Put folks in my business. Nigga spoke on my name, I got smoke like a backwoods. That's my nigga, come and kick it, Mr. Suicide City. I'm the reason there's some chicken. Why the fuck you in the kitchen trying to turn one? You ever go pulling on the blender before you burn some? Baby say she want a real nigga, she don't get it. Why you ain't never up it? I told you I've been sitting still on hard for my niggas. I can bring you back. Search in the city, why you always move fast? I keep 2 flags on bang. I just drop here for the gang. Catch me in the city, young nigga, 4 chains. Shot the CMG, still in the dope game. I'm fat propane, really got it out the mud. Big 4 gang, catch me round with the thugs that I got it on my own. Ain't nobody help me, remain humble, feel like the dope things. You can't little bro me, bitch, I really got a check. Fuck you in this shit, I be really on that. Put the city on my back, still remember hard times. 2018, was in my door. Bodies keep stacking up year after year. Got the young niggas back in they serial killers. Choppers with switches, they scratch out the sears. The blood in the whip, they for dope and some tears. What did you say? Cause this shit can get real. Now watch how you move and they shit like a steer. Shot in the car and I got the wheel. Niggas on wood, they got bodies for real. I thought shit got out, he been 20 some years. He took it to Trump, but he lost his appeal. I went to school, some serial killers. They breaking your house in these serial witches. The same nigga kept first period with you. Watching you trust in my B.I.D. bitches. The bum on step, get put in the switch. Say the wrong thing, get put in the back. Boy, why a nigga know no